So before Kraftshala, I don't think I was as confident in speaking or as confident in my digital marketing skills. But with Kraftshala, I think I've grown a better personality, I've become more confident and have better knowledge of SEO than a lot of people. So Kraftshala does help you grow in marketing. So hi, I'm Pranav. I'm from MLP 11 batch from Kraftshala, and currently I'm working at Performics as an SEO analyst. So before Kraftshala, I did my bachelor's in botany and I graduated in 2021. After that, I started doing research in ecology, but I felt that field isn't the right one for me. So I was looking for alternatives, and in college, I did a lot of extracurriculars. So I was exposed to marketing a lot. So I thought digital marketing is the right field. So I did some research online and found that Kraftshala is one of the most trusty and transparent institute for me to choose to gain that knowledge. So that's how I ended up in Kraftshala. Kraftshala was a pretty intense course, I would say. I had to sit 10 plus hours every day, even work half the day on Saturdays, which was not fun. But in the end, the outcomes show what it is. I have a job in SEO. I have better skills than what I had before Kraftshala, and I'm doing better in my business journey than I was before. So I feel that human skills is a pretty important foundation in terms of your business journey. So if you don't have that, it's difficult to maintain connections, networks, or even talk with the clients, which is pretty important in marketing. So without that, I don't think I would be doing really good at my job. Kraftshala helped me build those skills and be better at it. So kudos to Kraftshala. In terms of functional skills, like getting to know how to use the tools, getting to know what to do when you use the tools and why are you using those tools. Kraftshala explains all of it through and through. So in terms of why you're doing something, you know, and you can get the right outcome from it. That's what it teaches you. So it is a great course. I think I got placed really fast and I got a great one in the start. So I'm pretty happy with it. So I think Kraftshala is a great course if you want to do it in a short time. It's intense, short, and gives you results. So I would recommend it, and it has great experts in the faculty which will help you figure it out, answer your questions, and be better at marketing.